This is my experiments with Junior Lab. It was so much fun. This is Slingshot car. This one is learning about Digestive.
Is called the digestive.
Okay, going to the intestine, the green one, the dark green one, and then to the large intestine at the left. Okay.
You can draw picture.
This is chemistry experiments.
Satu tangan pegang.
This is geometrical setting. Baking Dino cookies and some nature hunt. Learning under the sea.
To turn carbon dioxide into energy and oxygen. These plants support the small animals that eat them, and the larger animals that eat the smaller ones. Thanks to sunlight, smaller animals will also hide here during the day to avoid larger predators, then travel back up to the epipelagic at night to eat. Below the mesopelagic is the bathypelagic.
Bathypelagic.
No sunlight reaches the sand at all.
Also winter wonderland.
Tundra, yes.
Now we see the icy Arctic Ocean. Huge mountains of ice, called icebergs, float in the water.
Who wants to swim there? Cannot, yeah, super cold.
Believe it or not, some special animals live in this freezing place. And we can find them if we look closer.
Making fountain of light.
What is special about this thing? Fiber optic is semi-flexible. You can bend it, but do not bend it too much. Okay, who is that? Okay.
And sprout house. Making water tower.
Water. If you do it outside, then you can use a lot of water non-stop because you're doing on the face.
And some painting. Making chili soap. Indonesia land of spices. Making bow and arrow. Making multi-level aquarium. Also floating astronaut. Engineering flower. And some skeleton pasta. Also rainbow bubble.
Super pretty.
Some fermentation.
The bubble look like in the balloon.
Making lipstick. Also kinetic sand and light box. Honey lime lollipops. That's so yummy. And making salty
And then
leaves.
becoming smaller, going here, and many of them.
Fluorescent jellyfish. Magnet painting. I love Junior Lab.